What's up, y'all, to my first YouTube video, and what we're going to be doing today is, what are you doing? What we're going to be doing today is the taste test challenge on my sister. So let's get started. Let me make sure you put double, because you know you might cheat. I know you cheat and everything. Like everything. No, don't tell me.
I had to itch my eye.
I
really can't see nothing.
Don't touch it.
I had to put it on my ear. Ah, that's too tight. What am I on? No, what am I on? Naya.
What?
What am I on? Can you go to Instagram for me?
No.
Didn't get my phone.
You want a big spoon or a little spoon?
Little spoon.
Okay.
Wait, can I get a bowl so I can spit in it?
No.
It's nasty.
Well, yeah, I'll get you one. Don't touch it.
It better not be mustard, because I don't like mustard. Mustard is
I don't care.
disgusting. Please don't be mustard. Mustard is nasty.
It's your bowl if you don't like it. You gotta guess what it is. You go right here. Okay.
Can I feed it to myself?
No.
Oh my God.
You gotta
Don't shove it down my throat.
Okay. Open your mouth.
Butter. It's butter.
That's your final guess?
Yes,
butter.
Because that's the only thing that's cold and that can be hard in the refrigerator.
Second one.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I need
Okay.
God. That was nasty. You ready?
Open your mouth. What is it?
Garlic.
No. What is it?
Chicken salad.
No.
Tuna fish.
No, one more.
Cottage cheese.
Yeah. You not cheating.
No, cause this is one thing I just thought it out of my mind. That's nasty. Can I get some water?
No. Let's go with the challenge, guys.
Can I get a napkin?
No. Don't want your second one.
I'm not doing that.
I got your second one right here, so just
No, I'm not doing it because I want a napkin.
You can wait.
Thank you. Wait a minute.
Hurry up. You ready?
No, I smell it. It's mustard.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not mustard. What is it?
That's salad dressing.
What kind?
I don't know what it's called.
I don't know what it's called.
I ate it before. That's my favorite salad dressing, but I don't know what it's called.
How was your favorite if you spit it out?
Because it was nasty. Because I still had leftovers of what you gave me.
Okay. Well, it was Thousand Island.
Salad dressing, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yo, I could barely.
Mimi!
No, I thought the round was over.
No, you cheater. Okay, now it's my turn. You better not get into that either that I picked up.
Okay. I could barely see, yo.
That's not.
Big spoon or little spoon?
Little spoon. You want tired?
Yep. Make sure you ain't seen cheap motherfucker.
Don't put my scarf up. My hair looking nice. Stop!
It's covering your eyes.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your
I'm
back.
trying to fix
Cheating.
my
No, you
skirt so I
cheating.
make
You
sure I
trying to
don't
see
look a
nothing.
mess. Ouch.
Double digits, girl.
Ouch.
Girl, you know ain't nothing bothering you.
Open my eyes.
How many fingers I'm holding up?
I don't know.
Y'all better be close, you dummy.
Can I have the same thing you had, please?
Yes. You using the same bowl.
No, I'm not.
You had to because that's wasting dishes.
I don't care. Rinse it all. That's all
Alright,
your
fine.
spits is in it. I'm not playing. Where's that?
Right here. And here go your napkin.
Don't give me nothing nasty, bro. I'm telling you.
Don't touch it. Why you touching it?
I'm trying to pull it up. Ouch, Mimi.
Don't touch it.
I'm about to punch you in your face. My lips look chapped.
You fine, girl.
I feel.
It's something that you ate before and you like it. I'm telling you. It's not butter. It's not cottage cheese either. You can spit it on your bowl if you want.
Cream cheese.
Yep.
And it's old.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Trust me, it's old. Ew. Ew, castle water.
No.
I can't have water.
No. Sure can't.
Remember, you guys showed them what you
This
put in.
looks so nasty.
I'm putting my.
It stink.
Stop playing.
Hey, Mom, just playing.
Don't give me nothing that's gonna mess up my stomach.
I'm not. Oh, you know.
Ah! What is that? Ew! That's some type of sauce.
Yeah.
Double cheese?
No.
What is it?
Red wine.
Ew, it felt gooey on my lips. What's that?
Juice.
What type of juice?
I was thirsty.
You got juice. Give me some. Can I have some water?
Hun, you get over there, you. What's the spoon? You never even tasted that
It
thing.
was in my braces. It felt like it was gonna lift my bracket up.
Open your mouth.
That's blue cheese.
No, it's not.
Okay. Let
Open
me
your
dip
mouth.
my finger in it first.
No, you didn't do that to me. Come on.
Alright.
Open your mouth. I didn't do that to you. It's not nasty.
You be lying!
I swear to God. Okay, that's red wine again, but vinegar wine.
Ew, I got it on my shirt. Somewhere.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Ew. Alright, this is the last one I quit. Mimi, don't make it. I'm not playing with you.
Open your mouth. Alright. I'm gonna choose a different one, alright? Cause
Something good.
it looks old, yo. You gonna like this.
Just don't lie to me like that. I'm not playing.
I'm not lying. Oh yeah. Why you still chewing it?
This jelly.
Yeah, boy.
Got to get my platform up there. Don't.
Chicken breast. You can't see anything, can you? Oh, snatch your wig off, girl.
Ew.
Ooh.
Ew, you got it all on my shirt.
Chapstick.
But, come on.
Yeah, I need to try some new chapstick.
Well, that's all for my first video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit that bell.
And spam in the comments what type of challenges you want us to do or anything
Pranks
like that.
that.
Yeah. So,
Oh, by the way, we're doing a prank today.
tonight. So, be stored. Bye.